Okay, 1977 Datsun 280Z, restored here by California Datsun. Got to be quick, running out of daylight today, but I wanted to go over this one before we deliver it to Arizona tomorrow. This one's been here for, I don't know, a year and a half or so. It was a nice car when we started with it, so that made it easier to build, but we did a lot of upgrades to it, and I'll go through that. But I wanted to do a quick walk around and show you the car, and then basically kind of go through what we did. So starting in the front, obviously got rid of the 280Z bumpers, went with 240Z Euro bumpers, got a nice skillered grille in there, did a 240Z air dam with the correct turn signal marker lights. It's got daytime running lights built into the headlights, as you can see. Shaved all the emblems except for the functional, roof side emblems. Nice set of rotor wheels, big fat lip on there, which looks nice. The 6-piston wheelwood brakes, that's our premium brake kit with the 2-piece hat and rotor combo that's vented, slotted, and drilled. Nice side skirts on this. All the chrome work, bright work is repolished. These are new aftermarket chrome mirrors, but new door handles and locks and emblem up there. Another look at the rear wheel here. Again, 4-piston wheelwood caliper in the back with the e-brake function. We removed the rear bumper and just kind of gave it that smooth look. We had some custom taillights made for it, so it's got LED taillights, which are really sharp, and then we have the third brake light, which is a unique feature that this particular client wanted. So moving on to the inside, very unique color combo with the red leather. It is genuine leather, so if this was smell-o-vision, you could really appreciate it. But you can see there, we also added the cup holder, 3 cup holders in a Datsun. That's pretty cool. You may have seen that before in some of our previous videos. The large pleats in the seats, kind of some over bolstering done there. Real nice Momo steering wheel. It's got a color matched short shift kit in it. I'll try to get to the gauges. Real nice set of speed hut gauges in this, which kind of give you a funky illumination with this color. It also has the very cool fuel tech system in it, the engine management system, which basically works off of this key fob here. You kind of rub it there, you hear that sound, make sure it's a neutral,